Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is Chogyal from Phuntsiling, Bhutan. Here we can see we encourage you to publish your seller information in the Google sellers.json file. Visit the account settings page to review your current visibility status. So what you have to do is you can click here on action, or you can simply go to account settings page. Here you can change from confidential to transparent. This is just to increase the transparency in the ads ecosystem and to combat fraud. If your information is not set to public or transparent, advertisers won't be able to see your name, which will impact your revenue. So what you need to do is you can change from confidential to transparent. If you have your business domain or a website, you may enter your web address here. Now click here on dismiss. That's it guys. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel Sir Chogyal. Thanks for watching and stay technically sound.